Welcome to Teach Mechanical YouTube channel. Today's topic is ellipse by eccentricity method. Ellipse by eccentricity method, engineering graphics topic. Is a problem. Is given. Construct an ellipse when the distance from the focus and the directrix is 30 mm. Okay, you note on the given data here. 30 mm is a distance from the focus to directrix, and eccentricity value is 3/4. Okay, after constructing ellipse, I draw the tangent and normal. Okay, in B part, draw the tangent and normal at any point P. Okay, at any point at any point P on the curve using directrix. Okay, using directrix. First you draw and mark 2 points. Okay, this is a very important. O to X, here O to X, O and X is a axis line, and vertical axis is called as a directrix. Okay, Y vertical axis Y called as a directrix. Okay, after that, from the given data, focus point is located from 30 mm from the directrix. This is a directrix. From the directrix 30 mm the focus point is located. Okay, and then vertex point is, we have to calculate the vertex point. Here eccentricity value is 3/4, so 3 plus 4 value is total 7. Okay, this value is 7. Okay, we have to divide equally. Okay, here directrix to F, we have equally divide 7 equal parts. Okay, 7 equal parts. Okay, 3 from focus, 4 from directrix. Okay, 3 from focus and 4 from directrix. Here VF1, so V1F 12.85, how it is come. Okay, I will explain now. Here 30 mm total distance. Okay, 30 mm total distance, so 30 divided by 7 into 3. Okay, into 3. Okay, we got 12.85. Okay, so V1F1 is 12.85. Next, here see, next what I do, V1 is a center, V1F is radius, draw one arc. Okay, and straight draw one vertical line from V1. The intersect point as D. Okay, here denoted as D, intersecting point. Okay, you draw line from origin, so O is the origin, and pass through D up to some extent. Okay, after that you draw perpendicular line from focus. Okay, perpendicular to FD. Okay, perpendicular to FD, this line is perpendicular to FD. Okay, here the intersection, you got an intersection. From that intersection you draw one vertical line. Okay, you note the V2. Okay, this V1 is a ellipse, left point of ellipse. V2 is a right point of the right extreme point of the ellipse. Okay, the ellipse is located in between V1 and V2, right? After that, you draw a vertical line at the gap of 10 mm. Okay, each gap is 10 mm or 5 mm. Okay, this is a uniform distance, each point uniform distance from V1 to V2. If take any dimensions, if you close dimensions means you get a maximum point and you get a accurate shape. Okay, if you go for 15 mm 20 mm, is the distance gap is more, so your accuracy, your profile accuracy is less. Okay, you choose 10 mm is okay, is a neat one. Okay, 10 mm, we want to 1 10 mm 10 mm 10 mm. Okay, each point gap is 10 mm. Last 10 mm or 12 mm or 15 mm, it's okay, no problem, no, don't consider that. Okay, and then you mark a point. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 9. Okay, after that you draw a vertical line both the side of the axis. Okay, both the side of the axis, the intersection point of this inclined line and this vertical line, 1 dash for 2, 2 dash for 3, 3 dash. Okay, correspondingly you mention the points up to 9 dash 10 dash. Okay, after that this is a intersecting point. Okay, I will explain how the point is marked. Okay, you take a radius of 1 dash. Okay, this is a radius you take with your compass, F as a center. Okay, and then cut an arc in 1 dash line. Okay, for both the side, you mark a point P1 and P1. So above the axis line also P1, below the axis line also P1. Okay, if you want to change the name also, it's okay, P1 is a Q1, like that. Okay, you can change the point name, is nothing wrong. Okay, same way 2 dash radius, Fs center, and cut an arc for second line. Okay, same way third, 4 5, like that. Okay, after that you join all the points, you got a ellipse. Okay, after that you have to draw the tangent and normal. Okay, I will explain how to draw the tangent and normal from the directrix. Okay, at any point, the problem is given as at any point P. Okay, here the P point is noted. You connect the focus and this point P. Okay, I am drawing tangent and normal for this point only. Okay, next is a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular to FP. Okay, perpendicular to FP is a cutting on directrix. Okay, is a touches in directrix. Then is a T marked as a point T and connect the T and P. Okay, you got a tangent line. Okay, you got a tangent line T dash. T dash is a tangent line. After that normal line is always perpendicular to the tangent line. Okay, n dash. Here T dash is denoted for tangent line and n dash is normal line. Okay, you practice this problems in the same way. Okay, if you have any doubt, post the doubt in comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.